Hi friends, that's the review for my Android system which I installed in 2015 Nissan Altima, and I installed this stereo system in this car about 2 years ago. And yeah, I'll just show you guys how still it's performing, and I'll show you. So once you start your car, it's starting up. So this system got only 1 GB RAM, and I think it's quad-core system with quad-core CPU. Even when it's booting up, if you put it in reverse, it will go straight away to reverse camera, which is good. So approximately it takes about sometime 25 to 40 seconds to boot up properly because it's only 1 GB RAM. That's why it does take that a long time. But once it start up, and now it's gonna play my digital radio there, which I install separate as well. So if you guys, I can show you, that's the antenna for my digital radio, and the adapter, I put it in there. So yeah, once I start, it works fine. And that's not the default app which I install. The default app is not performing that really good. So this is, if you search on Google Play Store DABZ, this app for digital radio is much better. And that's the default. Maps I go, you can insert your SD card here for GPS, and you can install another SD card for your songs or media, anything. So for 1 GB RAM, I can't complain, and it's almost 2.5-year-old system, and works fine. Only issue which I really
reached your destination
or really don't like is the apps which I install later, especially once I'm going to connect this system to my Wi-Fi. It takes a lot of time. And if I'll show you guys, if I'm going to play the Waze or Google Maps here, and keep in mind at this time it's not connected to Wi-Fi, but once you connect it to Wi-Fi, it gets more slower. YouTube works fine, not that bad, but it also takes some time. So if we'll try to play the Waze, so see, already pressed the button, and yeah, see, not that responsive. But if you play DVDs or songs or players, they are not that bad, but not that responsive as well. God, gonna take a lot of time. And that's the reverse camera which I installed in my Altima, and if you search on AliExpress, it came with full fitting, so you can replace it with your number plate lights. So it's still trying to play that Waze maps, or try to launch that Waze maps, and still, like, after almost 25 seconds or 30 seconds. So here, that's what I'll suggest. Don't go for, if you are planning to buy any Android system for any car, don't go for 1 GB RAM, especially if you want to use Waze maps or Google Maps. At least 2 GB, that's the minimum. But if you get a 4 GB one, more better. You get really good response, and they are really good. So yeah, I'll leave it here. Can't just sit there. But yeah, once it starts, it works fine, but takes a lot of time. And if you need a really responsive player, yeah, go for 4 GB RAM. Another thing, as I show you guys, all these stuff Android system can support. It's working fine. I installed OBD here as well, and it's showing it's already connected to there, and yeah, it works fine. And if you like this launcher, I'll show you. This launcher is from, if you go to the launcher setting, yeah, it's a car launcher by AGAMA, and you can see the version. Full version is 2.1.4. I think I paid for this like about $4 something. And yeah, you can edit theme, and it's really good. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye.